Good morning. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1 in chapter 3, that is pairs of linear equation in two variable. First question, After telling his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. See here, Alta telling his daughter. Two persons are here. One person is Alta and another person is her daughter. They both are speaking about their ages. So let us take the present age of both the person as x and y. The present age of Alta is x years and present age of her daughter is y years. Now 7 years ago, 7 years ago means before 7 years. So before 7 years, both the person will have to go before 7 years. So before 7 years, 7 years ago, the age of after is x minus 7 because we have to go 7 years before. Now similarly her daughter, that is also we have to go 7 years back, so y minus 7. Now before 7 years what they are saying, I means after was what is the age, x minus 7. After was 7 times as old as you means the daughter, that is y minus 7 you were then. At that time what is your age, to that 7 times if you do, then that will be the my age. Now this thing we have to calculate as a equation here. Now x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Take the 7 to next side. X minus of 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. So this is equal to minus 42. So x minus 7y equal to 42. So x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. From the first statement we have formed the first equation here. This is my first equation. Also 3 years from now. Now means saying about the percentage. So 3 years from now, that is after 3 years. After 3 years what will be the age of Aftab? That is x plus 3. The daughter will be y plus 3. Now what they are saying, I shall be, I means Aftab shall be 3 times as old as you, that is 3 times as old as you. Now this thing we have to solve and make it as an equation. Now x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Take this next side. X minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. X minus 3y or x minus 3y is minus 6 equal to 0. This is the second equation we got. Now this thing we have to solve. We have to find a solution and that we have to represent in the graph. This is about algebraic. Now the same thing we have to represent graphically also. For representing graphically we need the points. So let us take the first equation, that is x minus 7y plus 42. Now this is equal to, see, this is equal to 0. X minus 7y equal to minus 42. Minus 7y is equal to minus 42 minus x. So take the minus common out. If I take minus 42 plus x equal to minus 7y. Minus minus cancel, y equal to 42 plus x divided by 7. This is the y value. Now we can give the value for x and we can find the value for y. Now form the tabular column here. X value, y value. Now give the values for x. Let us put x is equal to 0. Then y value becomes 6 here. Now give the next value for x. X is equal to, it is divisible by 7. So we can give in terms of 7 there. So let us give the value 7 here. So if x is equal to 7 means 42 plus 7 will be 49. 49 by 7 is 49, 7 only. Now let us give the value 14 here. So if I give 14 means, then here we can give x is equal to 14. So 14 plus 42. If I give, then divided by 7. So this will be around 8. Now first equation we have found. Now let us take the second equation, then we can find the same x and y values. So x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 3y equal to 6. Take this x also next side. So 3y is equal to 6 minus x, minus sign is there. So y is equal to, put the minus sign here, x minus of 6 divided by 3. Now we have to give the values for x and we have to find the values for y. Now make a tabular column. X values, y value. Give the x is equal to 0. If I give 0, minus 6 by 3 will be there. That is equal to minus 2. Now give x is equal to 3. So 3 minus 6 divided by 3 minus 1. Now give the value 6 there. So 6 minus 6 by 3 is 0. Now we got the values. Now this thing we have to represent in the graph. Now let us represent in the graph sheet. Now see here, this is axis line I have taken here. Now see in the x-axis, this is x-axis, and in the x-axis I have taken 5 forward values, and y-axis I have taken 2 forward values. Now let us plot the values here. First is 0, 6. So 0, 6. Now second is 7, 7. Now see here, it is 5 forward. So 2 division will make 1 unit here. 2 lines will make 1 division here. Now see here, if this 5, this is 5 line means leave 1 line, the next will be the 6th one, then leave 1 line, the next will be the 7th line. So that is 7 here, and here it is 2 forward. So 6, 7, the small line will be 7 and this will be 8. So this is 7, 7. So 7, 7 is here, 0, 6 is here. Now next value is 14, 8. So this is 15. So in between the front line will be 14. So this is 14, 8. This is for the first one. Now let us join this. This is for the first equation, x minus 7y plus 42. Now the second one we have to plot. The second is 0, minus 2. So this is minus 1, here minus 2. So this is 0, minus 2. Next value is 3, minus 1. So 3. So this is 3, minus 1. Next value is 6, 0. So this is 6, 0. 3, minus 1, and here it is 6, 0. Now the graph is this will be in this way. Now if we extended this line and this line, see if I extended this one, these two will intersect at some point. These two, where it is intersecting, that will be the solution of this given two equation. This is of equation x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now these two, where it is intersecting, That will be the solution. This is a graphical representation of this question, and the algebraic representation we have framed the equation there.